This video is made for a TESOL task, Unit 3, Module 2, Task 2, Reading Lesson. Ms. Bishop is going to be playing the part of the student in this class. So, Bishop, we're going to have a reading lesson in this evening class. Our aim is going to be to develop your reading skills. We'll have some different sections and also different aims. So let's have a look at it. We have an introduction section. In this introduction section, we'll warm up a little bit about the text. Next, we have a pre-reading section. I'll show you some images, some photos, and we'll give you the headline, and I will ask you to guess about the text. Next, we have a pre-teach vocabulary. I'll give some relevant vocabularies to increase your understanding. In the first reading section, just try to get the general idea without being concerned with the details. No details, just get the general idea. In second reading section, you will read the text as a second, this time to understand the specifics. You know what specific is? Detail. You know, the details of the text. Of course, we'll have grammar focus. In this section, we'll focus on a grammar rule. Did you hear if conditional type 1? First conditional if close? Yes, do you? Okay. Finally, we have a post-reading language development. I'll give you some more vocabulary. And I'll ask you to make a sentence with the facts of the text. Okay? Let's start. Okay, what do you see in these images, in these pictures? What do you see?
It is summer.
Yes, it is a summer. Where do we understand that it is a summer? Well, how do we understand?
The sea.
Yes, there's a sea, sun. What is this? What is this? Start with S. Do you know sand? Sand? That's the sand. Okay? So, what type of holiday is this?
Sun.
The summer holiday. Okay. I call this do you know what? I call this summer holiday as 3S. Okay? 3S. What is the first S?
Sun.
Yes. The first S is the sun. What is the second?
Sea.
What is the third? You couldn't remember?
Sand.
Yes, that is right. Sand. Sea and sand. I call this summer holiday sea, sand, sun. Okay. Do you like holidays?
Yeah, I like holidays.
Who wouldn't? I like holiday too. So, what type of holiday do you like? Do you like summer holiday or winter holiday?
Summer holiday.
Yes, I like summer holiday too. Okay. Look at this image this time. What type of holiday is this?
Winter holiday.
That is right. How do you understand that it's a winter holiday?
They are doing skating.
Skiing, yes. They are skiing. These people are skiing. What is this? When the weather is cold?
Snowing.
Yes, it's snow. So I call this winter holiday as 2S this time. That's my saying. What is the first S this time?
Skiing.
Yes, these people are skiing and
Snow.
yes, on a snow. Okay, perfect. So far we know summer holiday and winter holiday, right? Okay. If you have a choice, at which location and accommodation will you spend your holiday? Well, where would you want to go? Location and accommodation. Do you know what accommodation is?
Antalya.
Okay, you want to go to Antalya to swim.
Yeah.
Accommodation, do you know what accommodation? Somewhere to sleep?
5-star
Yes, a
hotel.
five-star hotel is a type of accommodation where we sleep. That is right. Okay, what do you see in this picture?
Paris.
Yes, that's Paris. That's Tower Eiffel. Eiffel Tower, and it's in Paris. What do you see in this picture?
Comfortable 5-star hotel.
Yeah, you read it. You're reading it. It says a luxurious 5-star hotel. That is right. That is the accommodation where we sleep in a holiday. And this is Paris in France. What is this?
Location.
Perfect. So, accommodation, and location. Okay, where is this holiday? Where is the location of this holiday? Tell me.
Paris.
Let me write. What did you say?
Paris.
Yes, the location is Paris in France. What is the accommodation?
5-star hotel.
It is a 5-star hotel room. It is a 5-star hotel. Perfect. Next. Okay, another place. Where's this place?
Montana.
Montana. And,
Hotel in Montana.
okay, what is hotel? What is hotel? Is hotel a location or accommodation?
Accommodation.
Okay. Tell me the accommodation. What is it? A?
Hotel.
Okay. A hotel. A hotel. And where's the location of this holiday? Montana. That is right, thank you. Montana. Okay. Where's this place? Sri Lanka. What is this place to sleep? A bungalow. Okay, so tell me, what is this holiday? Location?
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. And the accommodation is?
A bungalow.
Yes, this time it's not a 5-star luxurious hotel, a bungalow. This time. Thank you. Okay. That's the holiday that I want to go. Look, see? I always want to go camping. That's the type of holiday, camping. See this family? It's a countryside. Do you see all these green? Do you know what countryside means?
Yeah.
Green. Greenlands. By the river, by the lake, a mountainous area. And what's the accommodation? Tent, right? It's a tent. Yes, I would love to, camping. I'm not sure. Perhaps this year I'm planning to go to camping with my family. Okay. So, what is this? What would you need to learn about the holiday location and accommodation? What is this? Do you know what this is? Or this is?
Brochure?
Yes, it's a brochure. Why? Where's this place? Where are they?
In balcony.
Yes, it is a balcony of perhaps a hotel, because that's the brochure. That's the brochure for a summer holiday. This one, what do you see? Somebody skiing, mountain, house, and there's a snow.
Yeah.
Is this a winter or summer holiday?
Winter holiday.
yes, this brochure is telling us about it, giving information about the winter holiday. Okay, what do these holiday brochure tells us about? Okay, example. This is a holiday brochure. And what do I see in this brochure? What do you think?
I think location.
Yes, location, Paris. Image, a photo of Eiffel Tower, for example. What else? Look, type of holiday. First, see? That's a summer holiday brochure. That's a winter holiday brochure. Okay. Type of holiday, or a different kind of holiday. Location, just like you said, Europe, Istanbul, Rome. Accommodation, 5-star hotel, a 3-star hotel, a bungalow. Or inside facilities of accommodation. Do you know what inside facilities is?
Yeah.
Okay. What is inside facilities? Inside?
Inside.
In. Yes, in. Example, in this class, there is table, whiteboard, air conditioner.
Chairs.
Yes, chairs. So, inside facilities. Inside a tent, a 5-star hotel, a bungalow. If it is hot and you are on a holiday, right? What would you need if it is hot?
Air conditioner.
Yes, air conditioner. If it is cold?
Central heat.
Yes, you need to get warm, you need central heating. And in a accommodation, what would you want in a holiday? Nice bathtub. You know what bathtub is?
Yeah.
What is it? Bathtub is, yeah, where you have a shower. Yes, a bathtub. You get in it. You fill it up with water. Do you know what jacuzzi?
Yeah. Bigger than the...
Yeah, bigger, yes, bigger than a bathtub. Okay. All good. So I'm going to show you two images, two photos right now, which the text that we're going to read includes. First one is this one.
There's a tent.
Yes, there's a tent. Okay. It'll be in the text that you're going to read. So, what do you think about the text will be? What do you think about that?
It's countryside.
Yes, that is right. That's the type of holiday. If this is a brochure text that we're going to read, it will talk about us a different holiday. It's a countryside. It is in a, what is the accommodation? Tent. Yes, it is the tent. There is a chair outside. There's a barbecue, something like that, outside. Okay. This is the second image. It's going to be in the text again. What do you think about this photo? What do you think the text will tell us about with this image?
It is comfortable.
Yes. What do you think? Where is this place? Example. Where do you think this is this place?
In the...
Yes.
Inside the...
Yes. Inside.
The tent.
Yes. Thank you. Inside of the tent. So, what do you think the text is going to tell us about?
It is very comfortable.
Yes, probably it's going to tell us about, look, this is a different holiday. You're going to be sleeping in tent, countryside. But this tent is a different one. It has got a, look, carpet, table, look, it has got a bath. Door, different window, okay? Okay. So, I'm going to give you the title now. Title of the text we're going to read. So you will try to guess from this title what the text is going to tell us about. Okay, there's the title. Can you read it for me?
Unusual holiday homes.
Okay. What do you think the text will be about now? More. Unusual holiday homes is the title.
Tent.
Yes, it's going to talk about tents. Because the holiday that you spend in a tent is different, right? Do you know what unusual is?
Yeah.
Unusual is not a standard. It is a different type. So what are we going to see? A different holiday homes. Probably by home, it's going to be talking about the tents. Okay. Okay, now I'm giving you some keywords just to warm up a little bit more. Brochure. Do you know what brochure is? Yes, we talked about that. Holiday options. And the text will also talk about unique. You know what unique is?
Yeah.
It's different. Okay. You already know accommodation, right? Tents. We already know that. Portable. Do you know what portable is?
Yeah.
Do you know what portable tent is? What is portable tent?
Carry it.
Yes! The tent, you can carry it and install somewhere else. Or assemble. You can deassemble it and assemble or install in somewhere else. That's movable. Portable means movable. Interior?
Interior. Here.
Inside. Yeah, inside. Watertight? Do you know what watertight is?
Yeah.
Or is your watch watertight?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Dry.
Yes, water cannot get inside. My watch doesn't let the water get inside. Okay, location, you already know. Countryside, what is
Green.
Greenland.
Forest,
So,
jungle.
yes, forest, jungle. So, can you guess with these vocabularies what the text is going to be about? Can you guess? Make a guess? Make a story?
Brochure.
It's going to be a brochure. It'll talk about
Holidays.
holiday options.
Location and accommodation.
Accommodation. Okay, it'll talk about location, accommodation. Where are we going to sleep? Probably
Tent.
in a tent. We'll sleep in a tent. It's a movable, portable tent.
Interior. Inside.
Of
Tent.
yes, it'll talk about inside of the tent, what exists. It is watertight. Location is you can move it anywhere you want, and it's going to be around green countryside. Okay. So you're already guessing a lot about the text we're going to read now. Do you think the inside, interior, the tent will have enough space for a family? Yes, it will, of course. Look, it's spacing. It's a white one. Okay, so first time. What were we doing when we read first time, when we read the text first time? We try to get the general idea without being concerned with the details. Just try to understand generally the idea. And while you read the text, try to find out what type of different holiday. Because what was the title? Unusual holiday homes. Just try to understand what is the difference in this holiday brochure or holiday. Okay, so we are not reading it. I accept that you already read it. Okay, I'm passing the first time. I count that you read. What are we doing in reading second time? In the first time we try to understand the general idea. While when we read it as a second time, what are we trying to do? Yeah, we get inside.
Yeah.
Which means specifics,
Yeah.
details. This time, at the second time while we're reading it, we try to catch the details this time. Okay. And I think that, I count that, I imagine that you already read it as a second time. Now we pass the questions to increase your understanding. And what type of accommodation is youth? Youth. Is youth a luxurious 5-star hotel?
No, it's not.
It's not. A mountain house?
No, it's not.
It's not even winter because it's all green. A bungalow?
No, it's not.
A portable tent?
Yes, it is.
Yes, because it was a tent actually in the middle of a forest in Greenland. So, yes, the yurt, echo yurt, is a tent. Portable tent. Okay, next question. Yurts are heated by, the text was talking about the interior, what's in it, what exists in the tent. So, let's try to remember. Are yurts heated by an air conditioner?
No.
No, it's an air conditioner. Are yurts heated by hair dryer?
No, it's
No, of course not. Electrical fan?
No, it's not.
Have you read something electrical fan like that? No. So yurts are heated by?
Central stove.
Yes, sure. It was heated by central stove. So that's a true or false question, okay, about the text. Several people can share one of the larger yurts. Is that false or true?
True.
Why?
Because it's very
Spacey. And
comfort.
did you remember that you read 7 people, not 8? Look, that's the detail. So in the second time we read it, we try to catch the details this time. 7 people is able to take. You did well. True. Another question. What does not exist in the tent below? Does it have microwave?
No.
Fridge?
No.
Jacuzzi in the tent?
No.
Traditional decorations?
Yeah, it is.
Yes, the tent was, seeming like it is a nomadic people's type of house. Yes, it is full of traditional decorations, but I made it jacuzzi. Oh, okay. The question says, what does not exist? It has a microwave, fridge, traditional decorations, but jacuzzi, no, in a tent. So, not. So we should read the question attentively. Okay? Okay. Now, I also mentioned that we're going to talk about first conditional if clauses, right? We're going to be focusing on as a grammar rule. Okay. There are 6 types of if conditionals. Okay, starting from T0, okay, T0 all the way to T5. 6 type of if clause or conditional. And this time we're going to learn about T1, which is first conditional. Okay, so here's an example. Look, if I study hard, comma, what is it? Okay, I will pass the exam. Full stop. Okay. Look, if you're talking about if clause, conditionals if you're talking about, then it is 2 different parts. One is if clause, okay, look, starting with if, all the way to the first part ends, comma, okay? This is the first part, and the second part is the other part, which is called main clause, okay? Main clause. The second part. What was the first part? If clause. If clause, okay? Okay, so if I study hard, I will pass the exam. Look, what does it say? Will, may, could. If clause is going to be present, Okay? If close is going to be present. What form is this word in the first part? Verb? Verb 1. In the second one, second part, main clause, there's a will. So in the first part, there's going to be will, may, present form. In the second part, this can be will, what else? May, might, or could, plus verb 1. Okay, so another example. If I can save enough money, I might go abroad. Okay, look. If clause, main clause. In the if clause, it is a present form. And second clause, go with the might. Okay, let's see the examples. These examples are in the text. Remember? If you have a chance, where will you prefer to go for holiday? Look, the first part, if clause is this present or past?
The present.
Present. And main clause? Main clause has will, what else? Might, could, may, plus verb 1. Okay, look. The first if clause is present, and the main part is will, verb 1. Look, what will I do if it rains? If it rains, if clause, present, main clause, will. Again, present, will. So in this passage, in this text, first conditional were used. Okay, post reading, and I'm going to give you some more vocabularies for you to, make more sentences. That's a post reading. Example, what is the echo use portable and tent?
Echo is portable tent.
Echo is a portable tent. Are they comfortable?
Yeah.
Yes, it is word.
It is more comfortable.
Yes.
Also.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ishik. And thank you very much for that.